This
Mukul.
conference will now be recorded.
It's very nice to have you here, Mukul. Thank you.
Yep.
Yes, Georgie, please introduce yourself. Georgie, your voice is not audible to us. Your mic is unmute, but your voice is not audible. Is there any problem with the mic? Okay, no worries. You can check with it and we'll get back to you. Yeah, no worries. Yes, we are having Nallappa with us. Yes, Nallappa.
Uh, hi everyone. So
Hello.
this is Nalapa. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and uh, I am working as a tester for one of the MNC company. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, great. Nice to have you, Nallappa, with us. Yeah, we are having Monugun with us. Yes, K.A. Monugun, can you please introduce yourself? Yes, K.A. Monugun. Hello. Yeah, no worries. Yes, we are having Ahmed with us. Yes, Ahmed, can you please introduce yourself? A bit introduction. Yes, Ahmed, are you here with us? Okay, no worries. Guys who are having a problem with the mic, you can let me know. Yes, Georgie, I think your voice is audible now.
Could you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Um, yeah, I'm Sunil George. I'm from Washington, D.C. I'm currently working as a sister admin in AstraZeneca.
Okay, great, great. Nice to have you, George.
Then,
We are having one person. His name or her name is not visible to us. It's a attendee. Yeah, can you please introduce yourself? A bit of introduction. Yeah, I think you have sent us a chat. Okay, hi, I'm from AP and I'm a cybersec aspirant not working. Yeah, no worries. Nice to have you. But it's good if you having a one telling us a name. Yeah, it's okay. So guys, I'll be introducing myself. So myself Rudransh and I'm a cybersecurity professional doing a penetration testing, vulnerability analysis from more than 4 years now. And yeah, now I'm just here to train you about a real world experience, how it looks like when you're doing a vulnerability analysis and penetration testers. Yeah, it's a kind of a very cool job, guys. Okay, it's a very cool job. Okay, if I give you on my experience, it's a very, very cool job. Okay, so I'm having a PDF for you. That's okay. We'll be going with that. Yeah, we don't have worries. But the real thing is our talk. Okay, how we are going to talk about it, how will we going to understand about it. So yeah, so I'll be giving you a simple way of what is VAPT. Okay, so VAPT, this thing stands for the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Okay, so the thing is, guys, what this all module works is about, I'll be telling you. See, there is a company, right? There is a owner who needs to be a security check with the company. Okay, because if the company is having certain kind of assets of another people, let's take an as example of an Amazon. Okay, there is Amazon, right? Amazon is having an information of the billions of customers. Okay, so if they're having that kind of information, what do you think? There should be having a crucial security implementation into the Amazon, right? And why this is so? Because this will be keeping secure all the data of the people connected to the Amazon. Okay, and that is what will be a company's reputation is shown by. Okay, if you believe, like if you are into the some kind of mall or something, you say that okay, this mall is very good. Why? Because you have went there, you have seen that okay, this having this kind of shops, everything is neat and clean and hygienic, everything is working, services are very good. Okay, everything is available in there. Okay, that what made the reputation of the mall. Okay, but when something bad happens, you see that there is an unhygiene, there is a smelly floors, slippery floors. Okay, some kind of service is not good, the reputation of that mall will be fall, and in the result there will be the no customers into the mall. The time will be arrived that there will be the no customers. Okay, why? You know why this happens? Okay, because the repetition is mattering. Okay, that the repetition matters, and that's what secured by the VAPT analyst. Okay, or a VAPT person. Okay, what we will be doing will be simply scanning and doing a penetration testing on the company with their consent. Okay, and will be in the return getting a high amount of money. Just imagine, guys, there are the company assets, and we are going to protect it. Okay, we are showing them the way that how we gonna protect it. Just imagine they will be, having a protection by us. So the reputation is protected by us. So what kind of, what kind of payout we'll be getting? It's a way more. Okay. And how it works? Let's go and see about it. In this demonstration, I'll be giving you a walkthrough about our syllabus, what we'll be going to see, what we'll be going to learn in our session, and also I'm having some bonuses for you. As you can see in the screen, I have given that is VAPT a smart choice, smart career choice in 2025? Yes or not? This is what the question everyone has. Okay, so what is the work of it? Why? Because it's a good choice, it's a growing field, it's a challenging work, and impactful role. Okay, when you walk in, no, when you walk in into the company, believe me guys, that feel is awesome. When you walk into the company and everyone sees that, yeah, this is a VAPT analyst. Okay, he's a VAPT person, he's a cybersecurity person. Okay, so that time your aura matters. Okay, we say no aura, that will the great, guys, believe me. Okay, I have been through it, that's why. Okay, so growing field, it is a high demand field, okay, for cybersecurity experts, because as the technology are rising, the risk of the cybersecurity is rising. Okay, the challenging work, you're constantly evolving threats and technologies, because your all the work will be challenging, means not in the way that it will be very hard, nothing like that. Okay, it will be challenging because you'll be having an adventurous things into your job role, you'll be never getting bored. Okay, it's not like just a copy pasting, doing one day of work every day, doing same repeated task every time. Like guys, I have seen like if you do a repeated task continuously, you will be getting bored. Okay, that's not the work here. Okay, that's a challenging work in the main, in the sense we'll be having, and interactive works, some enthusiastic working environment and everything like that. Okay, then impactful role, protecting businesses from cyber attacks. Yes, we will be like a team or individual, or we'll be getting hired from the someone, or we will be having some third party VAPT. So that time we'll be having an impactful role. As I told you, that's the aura. Okay, our aura will be the different in the whole company. Okay, will be protecting businesses from under they are getting into the cyber attacks. Just how, imagine how cool it is. Okay, so yeah, that will be doing. And our today's agenda will be, I'll be showing you the differences between ethical hacking and a malicious hacking, or we call it black hat hacking. Then we'll be understanding about the VAPT, what are the benefits of the VAPT, who can enroll this, what is the course details, market demands for VAT professionals, job prospects and salaries, what the VAPT gets in the different region and the different positions, why to apply for this VAPT course, and in the end, I'll be taking everyone's question and answer. Just wait till the end. You will be having some more information, sure. Okay, it's just not for the demo. You'll be surely getting through. You'll be getting something from each session, and you'll be increasing your knowledge. Whether it's a demo session, still you will be learning something. Okay, so I'll be hoping that everyone wait till then, and you can ask me the question whatever you have. Okay, I'll be answering everything. Okay, so we'll be going with this PDF also, but also we are having something like our syllabus. Okay, so what are our syllabus we are going to learn? Okay, just let me share my screen. Yeah, so if you can see, guys, these are the all syllabus we'll be going to learn. We are having total of 11 modules. Okay, in the 11 modules, we are having subtopics. Okay, we'll be going with the introduction to hacking, then setting up the virtualization labs and how the scanning works, how the enumeration works. In that, several subtopics are there. What is aggressive detection, OS fingerprinting, service fingerprinting, port scanning. Okay, we'll be installing the virtual machines into the virtualization box, like a virtual box of VMware. Okay, we'll be setting up a multiple vulnerable machines. Okay, then we'll be having enumeration techniques. What is the SNMP enumeration, net bias enumeration, different types of protocol enumeration. Will be detection of the services. When we'll be going with the vulnerability assessment, we'll be installing naces, openvas, running of them, generating a report, how to make a report. Okay, then system penetration testing, we'll be attacking the system. Okay, we'll be seeing that how it works, how the OS authentication architecture is, how we'll be doing a brute forcing attack, how to bypass Windows login. Okay, everything using a rainbow table, everything. Then we'll be heading up towards the web application penetration testing, which will be like introduction to our web application, web services, then how the attacks works into the web application. We'll be learning industry level tools like a burp suite. Okay, and what is a cross-site scripting. Also some bonuses we'll be having. Okay, I'll be giving you that also. And we are having a DDoS attack or DOS attack. What is Android penetration testing we'll be going to see. We'll be learning about the firewall concept, different types of firewalls, the work of them. Then we'll be going to learn about the network penetration testing, MITM attacks, what is the network sniffing, sniffing and spoofing, how it works, how to detect multiple devices connected in a network, multiple things. There are the 11 modules, 72 subtopics, sorry. Then we are having a bonus modules also. Okay, it's from me to you guys. Okay, we'll be having and how to implement AI in a VAPT. Okay, then I'll be showing you how to implement the AI and how to generate a report using an AI also. Okay, then what is the capture of the flag? We'll be doing a capture of CTF. The most of the ethical hackers go with it. Okay, I'll be showing you CTF also. Then I'll be giving you bug hunting tips and tricks, how to hunt a bug. Okay, if no one knows what is a bug hunting, it's a kind of a program, okay, by which like when you do a bug hunting, no, you'll be having several things like websites listed onto the some portal in which you can do a freely hacking. The some reputed companies list their websites like a Netflix, Tesla, Microsoft, this kind of companies, Google, they list their websites on that portal. They are freely to open to do hacking on it. Okay, but how to do it in a legal way, I'll be showing you, and how to find the bugs, and I'll be giving you tips and tricks about it. And when you find a flaw or vulnerability into their website, they'll be paying you back. Okay, and the payment is a good, guys. Minimum starts with $100, and then it goes to the $1,000, $25,000 depending on the bug. Okay, we'll be learning it according to when we'll be going to pursue the course. In the end, I'll be giving you some bonus, and that's not enough, guys. Okay, I'll be giving you something more also. Okay, this bonus right now I've added a 3 only. I'll be adding some more if we're getting a more time. Okay, but for sure. Okay, that's great. Yeah, let me share my another screen with you now. Let's get back to the PDF and let's understand how it works. Okay, so what is the ethical hacking and a malicious hacking? I'll be giving you an a briefly introduction like how it is work and why we are different from them. Okay, why we are doing the things which is seems to be illegal to someone, but it's illegal when we'll be doing that. How it is? Because we'll be learning a ethical hacking type of VAPT. Okay, it's into the ethical hacking. Okay, legal and aims to improve security. We'll be improving the security of the company. We'll working in the favor of the company. Okay, and what is the malicious hacking? Exploits vulnerabilities for illegal purpose. The hackers. Okay, why we are doing a vulnerability analysis and penetration testing, guys? Because we will be finding out the vulnerabilities. We'll be finding out the different things in our company's website or our client's website, and then we'll be giving them a proper report, and they'll be patching the vulnerabilities before any hacker does it. A bad thing to it. Okay, then we are having what is a vulnerability assessment penetration testing. Okay, then a simple thing, I've given you a simple example of it and how the vulnerability assessment penetration works also. But it is like a security checkup where automated tools scan for the flaws in the system. Okay, we don't need to have anything, we don't need to do anything. We will be simply having some tools by which they will be working. We need to configure them, we need to learn about the tools, we'll be clearing the concepts. Okay, and yeah, how the tool works, it will be creating some kind of boards, some dashboards in front of you, and you will be learning about it. Okay, now you'll be seeing that, okay, this is the dashboard, this is how the vulnerabilities are, these are the types of the vulnerabilities, what are the OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities, everything. Okay, so this will be the vulnerability assessment. And what is the penetration testing? Is an ethical hacking process where experts try to exploit vulnerabilities to understand how attackers could break in. Okay, then what is the penetration testing? You understand about the vulnerability assessment. Now we'll be going with the penetration testing. After that, the vulnerability assessment. What we will be doing, we'll be understanding the process, we'll be trying to do that process in which the penetration testers are hacking into the, legally hacking into the target given by the company considerations. Okay, by doing a mutual understanding, we call it a ROE, rules of engagement. Okay, we'll be learning that also. And yeah, we'll be doing that. Okay, penetration testing and discovering the security flaws by which we were able to get into the system or their network or the target company. Okay, and making a report of it and submitting it back to the company so that they will be doing a patch of it, and that's how they will be securing themselves by the bad hackers or a malicious hackers. Also call it a black hat hackers. Okay, then what is the business benefits of the VAPT? It protects sensitive information from unauthorized access, enhance compliances with industry regulations, reduce financial and reputational risk. Then who is this course for? It's for the aspirant professionals, IT professionals, career shifters, and how this course benefits working professionals. That also we're going to see. But that's a different part. We'll be going to see about it. No worries about it. But let's understand how it's affecting a business first. Okay, how it's affecting, guys? Just imagine, like, if you're getting to know in the previous only that how your company can be hacked, you can, you can just mitigate that threat. You can just see that, okay, our company will be getting hacked by this, so we'll be patching this vulnerability, or we'll be patching this kind of things, and we'll be making and modifications in the company in such a way that this kind of loss should be not happen. Okay, and why it matters, guys? Just tell me, if there is an proper reputation of the company and the company's reputation fall, how much like they will be going to, face the financial losses. Okay, it's way more than the salary we are getting as a VAPT. Okay, they suffer from the losses like thousands and thousands crores. Okay, the companies fall because of this kind of cyber attacks, and we are protecting that. That's why the, salaries or the payout of the VAPT persons are the more. Okay, because we are literally securing the company. Okay, so enhances compliances with industry regulations. It will be enhancing the compliances. It will be letting the people know about how the rules should be set up, how it will be working, so that company should run in a smooth way. Okay, ensuring the security of the company. Okay, then reduce financial and reputational risk. Okay, this will be reducing the financial risk of the company, reputational risk of the company, and in the end company will be secure and their assets will be secure, and they'll be running a smooth and growing into the business. Okay, instead of worrying about the cyber attacks. Okay, now let's understand, guys, who is this course for? Okay, it's for aspiring professionals, IT professionals, career shifters. Okay, and how this course will be working okay, for the professionals. Okay, we are having all this. We'll be discussing about the course R. We'll be discussing about the practical hands-on learning. Okay, some statistic about the cybersecurity according to the Forbes, job market demands. Okay, what is the demand of the market? How the job roles and the payout of the peoples are there. Okay, and why choose this career? But before that, guys, this is a different part. Okay, okay, we'll be going to learn about it. But before that, guys, I want you to see something important, like how it works. Okay, let me give you an just a second. Am I able to share my window? Just a second, guys. I think I'm not able to. Okay, no worries. Just a second. Yeah. Yes, guys. Can you see my screen, everyone? This is our operating system we'll be mostly working with, and we call it a Kali Linux. Okay, so this is operating system, and I want to show you something. Okay, like how it works and how it works. Okay, how it looks. Okay, so this is a tool. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, something interesting, guys. Everyone thinks like a hacking is something like this kind of consoles you will be seeing in the movies. Okay, let me show you. You'll be seeing something like this, right? The codes are running, everything is working. Yeah, something like that. Yes, everyone. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. You think like, okay, something is going on. But believe me, guys, there is nothing going on. It's just an interface, UI interface. Nothing like that. Okay. So we'll be not going to see this. We'll be going to see a real hacking. Okay. How it really works. Okay. So as you can see, I'm working on the terminal right now. It may be saying something, very dangerous or something very hard for you who are not in from the IT background. No worries, you'll be going to learn about it also. Even if you are not from the IT background, I'll be giving you such a practice, such a easy way of training. You'll be just thinking like, okay, it's that easy. Is it that easy? Okay, believe me, guys, that is like very easy. Okay, if you go to learn it in a way I'll be showing you, it's very easy for you. Okay, so let me show you some kind of how the VAPT reports and something looks like. Okay, so before that I'll be needing to enter some commands to start my some tools of the VAPT. Okay, so let me give please give me some time. I'll be showing you how to set up this operating system also. Okay, because it's included in our syllabus only. Okay, that how to set up this operating system. Okay, right now currently I'm running more than 4 operating systems into my one drive. Okay, my one. So this is the tool, guys, we'll be using and to do a generating a report for the companies. Okay, which we call a NASIS. Okay, we'll be learning it how to set it. Okay, and this is a paid tool. Okay, I'll be giving you an version, okay, of a demo version and how it works. Okay, then after that you can go when you will be in the company, they'll be providing you with the proper paid tool. Okay, but yeah, we'll be going to learn about this, how they work, and we'll be learning like how we'll be configuring the scans, what are the templates, okay, everything. Okay, so as it is a very big tool, guys, it's having a multiple plugins, how to scan, and everything is there. Okay, so we'll be learning that also. And guys, until it starts, let me show you some command things. Okay, so there is a one website called Test PHP. It is specially designed to perform an penetration testing. Okay, and to test for something. Okay, so if I simply, copy this. Okay, get back to my terminal, and if I want the information of that particular website, what I'll be doing simply, okay, simply I'll be doing one tool I'm having. Okay, I think it got ends. URL, it's a URL, and it I'll be giving the command. Don't worry, it's just demo session for you. So we'll be learning how to enter, how to install this kind of tools, and see guys what we got out the website. Okay, see, we'll be getting its records, who have registered it, where it was registered, the contact details of the company, okay, the phone number, where their servers are located. It's in the Europe, okay, and what the name of the server, on which date we have performed the scan, okay, how the website is it alive or not, okay, which is used, okay, like which language has been used, PHP something, okay, right, PHP has been used. Then SSL certificates, what are the SSL, we'll be going to learn about it in a detail. Then as you can see, it's a DNS. If people you are knowing about and technical field, what's the DNS, you'll be getting to know. But understand it's something like a very crucial information about the target. Okay, that comes into the information gathering phase. We'll be learning that also. Okay, no worries. Now, as you can see, it's enumerating some domains. Okay, some domains, some directories which are very essentials. Okay, like some admin directories of this website. Okay, so it will be running. Let it start. Until then, let's see. Yeah, we got the login. Hmm, oh, my license got expired. I need to re-register it. No worries. Let me show you how it looks like. Yeah, we'll be going to learn this things also. Okay, how the analysis of the tools will be working. We'll be going to learn that also. That's the issue. Okay, I think it got deleted. No worries. Simply, you will be learning about all these things. Okay, how the Nessus works. Okay, how to install it. It's having certain kind of period of license. Okay, mine got expired. I'll be renewing it, and I'll be showing you how it works. Okay, and yeah, no worries. It's a big tool. It needs a time to install. Okay, so we can't do it in this such a short period of time. But yeah, surely we'll be going to do that. Okay, in our syllabus. So I just wanted you to show you how it looks like, guys. Okay, how the reports looks like and everything. But yeah, no worries. And you can see how the websites is. Okay, and all the information we are getting here, each and everything. Okay, we'll be going to learn this kind of things. Okay, this information gathering, getting the IP address of the target. Okay, then some crucial information which is available here. Okay, which is not visible to a normal person, we are enumerating it. Also, I'm having some crucial tools like this extension, which will be showing me which type of server they are using, which operating system this website are using, by using which programming language it has made up. Okay, what are the proxies they are using, all the things in just one click. Okay, so this is how we'll be going to learn about things. Okay, this is just a demo, guys. This is just an 1% I've shown you of our whole syllabus. Okay, when we'll be going to learn, no, we'll be going to learn several things way more. Okay, and also I'll be giving you some kind of tips and tricks about the bug hunting also, and yeah, about the properly how to make a report of the VAPT when you are doing an analysis, you will be hacking this. Okay, you'll be hacking some kind of websites. You'll be like, okay, how this is how it works. Okay, and you'll be making a report of it. How to implement a AI also. Okay, we'll be learning that also. For just a second, let me see if I'm having any kind of report generated previous. Okay, so let me go on my downloads. Nieces, I should be having one report. Yeah, see, this is how something reports look like, guys. It's a raw report. It's not a full report, but still, you can see. Properly, it's showing us how many vulnerabilities are there. According to the severity of the vulnerability, we'll be learning, okay, what is CVSS, Common Vulnerability Scoring System, okay. All this report, it will be graphical things. It will not showing of any coding, but we'll be understanding how it works, how the vulnerabilities are, okay, everything, okay. See, it's a total 112 page of PDF, guys. It is made. Okay. And how you will be making it in just 10 minutes. You don't need to do anything. Okay. How amazing it is. Okay. All the vulnerabilities of the company, you'll be making it in just 10 minutes. Okay. 112 pages of PDF. All these things I'm saying. We don't need to do anything. We'll be just making it in a 10 minutes. Okay. Yep. Yes, everyone. Yeah, everyone here with me.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we'll be learning all these things. I've just given you some, some practical things. Okay. So I want you to know like what you are going to learn in a real. Okay. So let's continue with our PDF and let's understand how it will be working. Okay. Just give me a second. Let me open. Let's discuss about the how much the salary a VAPT analyst gets and everything about that. Okay. Yeah. So you'll be having a practical hands-on learning like a cyber law, what is the industry tools, hands-on, cyber lab, industry tools, hands-on exercises using leading tools like what is using a Kali Linux, Metasploit, Nessus, OpenVAS, and Burp Suits. These are all the industry level tools, guys. Okay. Then if you're having a time, you will be getting a projects. Okay, I'll be giving you some assignments. You have to do that. Okay, and I'll be helping out in that also. But I don't think that you will be learning about the things now going with the course. You will not needing any kind of assistance. Okay, you'll be getting some projects also by my side. Okay, by my level, I'll be giving you the project. Okay, and how to set up a cyber lab. We'll be setting up the lab. Okay, tools will be having, and this lab you are having a lifetime access. Okay, you don't need to have like after the course you'll not having access. No, you'll be having a lifetime access for it. Then yeah, the tools and everything we just got to know about it. Then what are the some statistic about the cybersecurity according to the Forbes? You guys, everyone knows about the Forbes? Yeah,
Not really.
Forbes are the company who lists the about the it analyzes everything about what is going on in the world and listing all kind of upcoming trends. Okay, so rising cybercrime cost. Okay, the first thing is a cybercrime cost. Damages are expected to reach dollar 10.5 trillion by 2025. It's a 10.5 trillion kind of cybercrime will be going on in the 2025, right, this year. Talent shortage, like projected 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs by 2025. Why this is good for you? There is a no competition, very low competition, very low, because there are 3.5 million job openings in the cybersecurity in the 2025. And guys, you tell me how many people do you know, okay, they are having a career in ethical hacking or a cybersecurity? Yes, guys, anyone you know? How many people you are in your known are ethical hackers or a VAPT? Yeah, anyone? Yes, guys, is everyone here with me? Everyone, guys, you're having in the known that they are the VAPT analyst, okay, or they are security in a cyber security field. Very less people that will be, I'm sure about that. Okay, and what are the salary ranges? You'll be shocked. Okay, just let me go with the salary ranges, you will be getting shocked. Okay, AI in cybersecurity. AI enhances both cyber threats and defenses source. Why? Because people think that the most important thing, will the AI will be taking over the cybersecurity? Never. Okay, why? Because you can't fully trust on the AI for the security of your company. Okay, in the end, it's a machine, it's a program. It will be learning and working on the certain rules. In the end, you need a human reflexes. Even Tesla cars needs a human in some cases. Okay, so that is the AI in cybersecurity. Okay, AI enhances both cyber threats and defenses. Okay, it has increased the cyber threats also, because criminals are using AI in a bad way, but hence it's having a defenses also, it is making strong defense also. Okay, so AI will be never taking over to the cybersecurity, it will be helping to grow the cybersecurity. Even if I tell you by my experience, no, when the AI has came, the work and the demand of the cybersecurity professionals are increased, because criminals are using AI in the cybersecurity, AI to do the crimes. Okay, you may have came in encountering the scams like a digital arrest, something like that. In India, it's very common. Okay, they are using AI to create a fake environment of the police station. Okay, that's a cyber crime, and they're doing this by using of AI, cloning of the voice. Okay, that all the things. Okay, then economic impact. Cyber attacks are anticipated to reach 10.5 trillion annually by 2025, making a 300% increase from 2015 levels. In just 10 years, it has increased the 300% in the market. Okay, 10.5 trillion, cyber attacks will be dollar of 10.5 trillion dollar will be costing in a 2025, according to the cyber attacks, how many cyber attacks it will be there. Okay, then what is the job market demand? Okay, why, like, in the end, guys, what we need, we'll be needing that, what kind of what thing we'll be getting through it. Okay, so growing need for cybersecurity experts, how much money will be earning, we should be knowing. So cybersecurity industry is experiencing a talent shortage. Yes, it's very true. Businesses and government agencies are actively hiring security professionals. VAPT job openings like over 1800 plus VAPT related jobs listing on naukri.com right now. Okay, then high demand for penetration testers, security consultants, and vulnerability analysts. Government hiring trends, CERT in NTRO and NIGS, NISG are expanding cybersecurity teams. It all the governments of the India, they are hiring for the cybersecurity professionals. Then there is a high salary potential. Ethical hackers and penetration testers earn competitive package globally. Senior level professionals can earn up to INR 20 LPA per annum. Okay, that's the for the beginners, guys. Okay, in the slowly it just increase. I know I'm having one CISO, chief information security officer, in my contact. His salary is near about 1 crore 80 LP package is having, and I'm saying about it near about 2 years before. Right now is having more than that, sure, for sure that. Okay, maybe he has reached to the 2.5 crores package. Okay, but that requires a certain kind of time you have to spend in the cyber security for sure. But the growth is like sky's the limit, guys. Okay, so job roles after completing this course, it will be penetration tester, you will be getting role as a penetration tester. Okay, in India the salary is like 600,000 to 1 lakh 2,000 20,000. In United States you will be getting $80,000, $130,000. Okay, then there's a vulnerability analyst, access and mitigate security vulnerabilities. Okay, they're having 500,000, or like you're having, like, if I give you a roughly figure, the salary for the beginner starts from the 5 LPA to the 10 LPA for all the job roles. Okay, in the India and the United States, like a security consultant, ethical hacker, security cyber security analyst, incident responder, red team operator, security auditors, you will be having this all the job openings after the course. You can apply for this kind of jobs. Okay, and the salary ranges from starting for the beginners, it will be for the 5 to 10 LP, and who are already into the IT field. Okay, they will be having some more salaries because they are already having some experience in the IT. So depending on the company again, but yeah, they'll be offering you more salary, because you're already having some knowledge of the tech side of the IT industry. Okay, all the things like as you can see, it's more than 5 LP only. Okay, because as a big after that, no, you'll be having the sky is the limit, guys. You can't imagine 50, 60 LPA, 70 LPA, 80 LPA. Once you reach to that CISO level, Chief Information Security Officer, obviously this course, after this course, you will be having to do upgrade your knowledge. And cybersecurity is in a field, guys, you need to be updated every day. Okay, so you will be like after the you reach a certain level, like a CISO level, Chief Information Security Officer, CTO, Chief Technical Officer. Okay, you'll be having like a crores of package. No, no, there is a no objection in that. Okay, then why choose this course? High demand for VAPT professionals. Cyber techs are increasing, creating a huge demand for penetration tester and security analyst. 1,800 plus job VAPT job listing. Okay, in India, Naukri.com. In the US, also there is many jobs. So as a cybersecurity, guys, just ask anyone about cybersecurity. They're the sky's the limit. Okay, governments are also hiring for this. Okay, then strong salary growth. Entry level salaries like a 6 to 10 LP in India. Okay, 80K to 120K globally. Senior level professionals earn up to 15 to 20 LPA. Okay, career opportunities. VAPT open doors to roles like a penetration tester, security consultant, ethical hacker, red team operator, etc. Global demand across industries like finance, healthcare, IT, and government agencies. Future proof career cybersecurity. Okay, why? Because it's evolving with the AI. AI driven security, cloud security, and IoT security, making VAPT professionals highly valuable. Because global security spending projected to reach $267 billion by 2025. Spending, I'm saying, if you are passionate about cybersecurity, VAPT is a stable, high paying, and future proof career choice. Okay, why? Because this is what will be paying you, because that AI will be not affecting, because everyone is thinking that AI will be affecting our career. But in this case, AI will be not affecting you guys. Okay. AI will be helping you to get more opportunity. Okay. Yeah. So that's it for today. And that's why I'll be closing my demo session. I'm open for your questions. Whoever having any questions, I'm open for you. Yeah. Let's start with the Q&A session now.
Hi, my name is George. I have a question.
Guys,
So,
just a second. I'm having one request. Who are having the question, please make your hands raised first, so I can, like, many people having the questions. So one by one, I'm taking everyone's questions. Okay, please. That's a request from my side. Yeah, Georgie. Yeah, Georgie.
my question is like, okay, I have 4 years of experience as a. I started my career as a desktop technician and IT specialist. Now I'm a system admin.
Mm-hmm.
So, but and my major is cybersecurity. I graduated from University of Maryland.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I Security Plus certified and Google certified. My question is the experience. How experience matter? Because
Mm-hmm.
I just keep applying application security engineer,
Mm-hmm.
but the problem is the experience they are looking for. How I am familiar with some experience, some tools like Nmap
Mm-hmm.
or Wireshark. So how can I tackle that experience gap in cybersecurity, not in system admin?
Yeah, yeah. So the thing is, see, experience they looks when there you are having a no experience. Okay, like you are having some experience and you are saying that you're knowing about some tools. Here the company is looking about the skills in you. Okay, if you are having industry level experience as a system admin, you are saying you are having the experience, right? So when you go with an one talk with the company, no, okay, that time they'll be asking about your skills and how much you are having hands-on experience on the tool. Okay, and your concepts that matters a lot, guys. Okay, because companies use different tools. There are the thousand tools to do one work. Okay, that time they will be seeing your your concepts. How is it working? Whether you are knowing one tool, two tool, five tool, 10 tool, doesn't matter. The thing is, do you know about the concept? Do you know how it works? Do you know about the vulnerability? Do you know how the attacker will be doing this? And in the end, they'll be asking a simple thing. Are you able to solve this problem? If I give you this situation, they'll be giving a situation. Okay. In the most of the interview I've seen this. Are you able to solve this? Are you able to solve this? If you are able to give them a satisfactory answer, you are in. Okay. So that's how the cybersecurity works. Okay. When it comes to the experience role, see, it depends on the company again. If there is a huge demand, there are the projects, no, they doesn't go always, they don't stuck in the experience only. Okay. They see about the skills also, John. Okay. If you are proving them that, yeah, I'm having skills, that matters a lot. Okay.
Thanks for answering the question.
Thank you. Okay. We are having Arjun. Yes, Arjun. Hello. Arjun, you are having any questions? Okay. Yes, Nalapa, your question?
Hi, Rudransh, can you able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah, it's audible completely.
Okay, so yeah, so like now, if I complete, if you if we take this course, like, are you giving the training in such a way, like where we can apply for this ethical hacking certification, or if I want to do that ethical hacking certification, like, if I go through this training, so will that be
Mhm.
sufficient to clear that?
Ethical hacking certifications in which, there are the numerous institutes, there are the global bodies who are providing ethical hacking certificates. Like in what you are saying, which certification?
Uh, so if you provide me, I don't know that many things actually, but I just heard like, if you want to be a good penetration tester, like you need to have some ethical hacking certification actually.
See, after this completion of the course, you'll be getting a certificate. Okay, that's for the sure. That time you are having already having a certificate. Okay, then if you want to go some advanced, okay, some advanced type of course, then you want to completely go into the cybersecurity, then it comes with the global level certificates. That's a different part. But to go to that, like it's like when if you want to study in the 10th, you need to pass the ninth standards, right? So that's go with a step by step. You can't go like just skip this part and you can't go like that. But you have to go the step by step. So after if you're going with a certification only, that time you're having a certification after this course also. But I'll be suggesting you, Nalappa, that certification always doesn't matter. Okay. Here, cybersecurity is all about if you can do it, you are in. Okay, in the interview also, some I've seen this kind of interviews, I've given this kind of interviews. They just turn out their laptops. Can you do this? Can you do the vulnerability analysis of this target? If you're done, you're okay. You're in. Okay, that's the only thing true in the movies. Okay, other
Mm.
things they don't see everything. Okay, that
Okay.
depends on the companies. Okay, so if you about the certification, you'll be getting a certification about after this course also. Okay, no need to go for paying extra things for anyone for the certification, I think so. Okay, you'll having in after this course. Yeah.
Yeah, and one more question is like, once we the training is completed for this course, like,
Mhm.
are you helping us with the interview questions, like, to crack this penetration testing role,
Yeah.
or do you have
Mhm.
any
Mhm.
any kind of list of questions, or are you
Mhm.
planning to do any kind of mock interviews if it's needed?
See, that's what I said. In a bonus, no, I've shown you syllabus, right? I said that I'll be adding something in the bonus sections also. Okay, it's a surprise for you. And yeah, mostly I'll be trying to help out as much as possible for you to crack some high paying job. Okay, so this kind of things help. It will be done, guys. No worries. Yeah, I'll be doing it. Okay, that's not a thing that I should be showcasing you, but yeah, I do that thing generally. I help out because when we are in the stations, no, we develop some kind of bond with each other. So that time, yeah, I'll surely helping everyone. Yeah, yeah. Yes. I hope Nalappa, your questions are answered. Everything. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, Nilappa. Your questions are answered. Everything. Okay. Yeah, Mukul. We will be going with your question.
Yeah.
My
So,
my
Yeah, I'll be going with you also. Just wait a second. I'll be taking everyone's question, guys. Okay, don't worry. I'm not ending the session. Yeah. Yes, Mukul.
yeah, I, yeah. Uh, so, as we all know that this vulnerability and penetration testing is a part of a cybersecurity, right?
Yep.
So, my question is, as I told you in my introduction, that I'm working as a senior network engineer in a company. I'm
Mm-hmm.
currently having 5 years of experience in this networking domain, right?
Great. Mm-hmm.
So my question is, like,
Mm-hmm.
if I normally go through and do this VAPT course, right?
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
after doing the course and the certification, right, I'm not
Okay.
having any experience in VAPT, right?
Okay.
If I
Mm-hmm.
go, because basically I will be doing a certification for the job, right? To
Mm-hmm.
to
Right.
move in the
Right.
market, in the demand, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, how I can like show my networking experience in this?
Yeah. So see, networking is, Mukul, it's a major part of the cybersecurity. Okay. Because if you
Right.
are clear with your networking aspects, then you are having a one advantage with you already. Okay. Because networking concepts is a more important. Like we need to have proper knowledge of the protocols, ports, the way of the data flowing into the network. Okay. Then you can go opt for the network penetration tester. Okay. That will be helping you a
Okay.
lot. Your networking knowledge, whatever the experience you are having, it will be helping you a lot in this thing. So that time you can showcase that I've already worked in the network engineer from those since 5 years, and everyone knows that cybersecurity networking is most important, guys. Okay, it is crucial part in the cybersecurity. Okay, so if you showcase that I'm having 5 years of experience, you are already having in a networking, so it will be helping a lot when going with the security in a cybersecurity. Okay, you're having a one kind of priority over other candidates. Yeah, that's for sure.
So do you have like in a networking after 5 years of experience which I'm holding, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And so for what course should I do? I should go with this VAPT course or any networking security course?
See, when you go with a VAPT, it's not about you should be going with macOS or anything like this thing. I'm not saying for that. I'm giving you a frank answer, so I'll let you decide. Okay. So see, it's not about one only network security. Okay, it's about the
Okay.
clearing the concept, how the VAPT works. Okay, so it will be in the VAPT, no, you'll be not only getting to do security on the network only. You need sometimes to do security on the operating systems. You need sometimes to do a VAPT on the web applications. Okay, your your networking skills will be giving a boost to you. Okay, but relying on the only one thing, it will be having opening you for the only network penetration tester. Okay, so instead of that, if you're having already one advantage as a network engineer, okay, so I think you can boost it to the VAPT. Okay, like you can open doors for the different opportunities, not even for the network penetration testing. You can open it for the system penetration testing, the application penetration testing as a VAPT. Okay, so I think that
Right.
will be good. Hello, yeah, Mukul, you got your answer?
Yeah, you answered my.
Okay, thanks, Mukul. Yes, we are having Munguna. Yes, Munguna. We were having some question.
yes, my question: what level of experience
Mm-hmm.
uh, would you say one could have after completing this course? Uh, Given the fact that you are going to be teaching uh, basically a knowledge transfer, um, and whatever that we're demonstrating, the lab work is you're trying to show what is going on in the industry. So after completing this course, for
Mm-hmm.
example,
Yeah.
will you, I guess, will we still be freshers, or will we be a little bit more than freshers?
Yeah. So as you just saw that Mukul and Georgie, they are into the technical background. Okay. So this kind of background, like a system administrator or a network engineer, if you're having this kind of background, no, this will be supporting you as a VAPT. Okay. If you are completely from the different background, you're not having into this domain, you're not having this domain, like you are not in the technical domain only, then the company will be considering you fresher. Okay. If you're having a technical, domain already in the technical, then it will be giving you an hands-on, one kind of support to you. Okay, while companies are hiring, but again, it depends on the company. As I'm saying, cybersecurity is not like other jobs. Okay, like if in a freshers also they'll be paying you a lot if they're having that kind of demand, and it depends on the project. And as you can see in the 2025, no, it's the right time to pursue. As people said, no, if I would have purchased Bitcoin in 2013, I would be a billionaire or trillionaire right now. Okay, that kind of opportunity is this. Okay, because in the 2025, that's a near about, millions of openings are there in the cybersecurity domain. Okay, the only thing is you have to get into it for now, and you will be securing your future. Okay.
So, so most of your demonstrations, uh,
Mm-hmm.
like like the tools you're going to be teaching, uh,
Yeah.
if we are reasonably conversant with the tools, I guess my question is, are we able to state that we are reasonably okay to go into the marketplace not as a fresher, but a little
Mm-hmm.
bit more than a fresher?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure for that. Because the tools or the concepts I'll be clearing you, the guys, it's for the industry level. Okay. How the industries are working, I'm showing you that. Okay. So for sure, when you go with outside, when you will be going outside, you will be having a one step, one more benefit as an another level of, a uniqueness you will be having, that you can differentiate from other candidates because you have done this work, what they are asking for. Okay, obviously tools, the companies, they have different tools, different companies use different tools, but the concept will be same. It's same like you're learning to drive a car. Okay, and someone is hiring as a, for the driving. Okay, but car is different, but you know how to drive a car. It's like that. Okay.
Okay. One more question, please.
Yeah, please
Um,
do.
do you plan on like giving us or handing out documentations to enable us when we are doing practicing? For example, when we're trying to set up the lab,
Mm-hmm.
do you have some documentations that you make available to us?
Yeah,
Uh,
study material. Yeah,
okay,
you'll be
all right.
getting it into the shared drive of the Google. Sure.
Okay, thank you very
Yeah,
much. Yeah.
most welcome. Most welcome. Yes, Arjun, you're having question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
My question is, sir, that right now I'm doing the penetration testing. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a professional, just I'm a beginner level, and I'm using the Buckshot tool, professional.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so my organization tells me you have to do the security testing at the code level. So they are providing me the codes of every project. So I want to
Mm-hmm.
know if I join this course, then it will be enhancing my security level checks, my security level knowledge, and I will be able to make the very good at level the security testing at the code level and also the UI level because I'm doing with the organization. They have the most B2C and B2B projects.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Uh, yeah, please continue. Yeah.
mm. So also in every projects I do the BAPT, but after doing the BAPT, I'm not getting the confidence at a level because I did correct or not. So that's why.
Yeah,
I
so
have
that's what
joined
you
this
will be
course.
developing here, Arjun. Okay,
Yes, yes,
like
yes,
what are the tools? What are the concepts? Like you are saying that you're doing it, but you are not able to understand how it's working. Okay,
yes, yes,
that's
yes,
what your
yes.
question.
The way,
So
yeah, the
in
way, because yeah,
yeah, that's what we'll be clearing here. From the very,
mm,
basic things, how it works,
mm,
how you will be getting the, results, how to read the result, how to make a report, how to submit a
mm,
report. Okay, this all thing. It will
mm,
be surely, it's good, it's good opportunity for you in your case, Arjun. This course,
yes.
this course will be surely
Will,
helping you in this. Yeah.
yeah. So will it help me to do the security at the code level also, because they are also providing me the codes and tell and said me
Mm-hmm.
find the bugs and security levels checks if anyone can hack or not.
Yeah.
So it will help me.
Yeah, yeah, sure. See, they have given you a source code. In our
Mm,
penetration testing, we call it a white box penetration testing methodology. Okay, they have already
all
given
right.
you a source code. You just need to find out, is there anything missing into the source code? In a sense, you have to find a bug in it. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
okay. So yeah, it will be helping you. No worries. Okay.
All right, all right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Most welcome. Yeah, Ahmad, you are having any questions?
Hey, Rudransh, is it audible?
Yeah, yeah, it's audible.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for the brief introduction, Rudransh. See, my query is very straightforward. See,
Mm-hmm.
I'm from a management because I'm into manual testing, leading a team, and soon we'll be entering into this. We have been asked to perform VAPT in our organization in another couple of months. Okay, or we are
Yeah, yeah.
trying to build a team. Okay, now
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm.
since in this group we have
Mm-hmm.
different people with different technology now in this
Mm-hmm.
course, uh, you mentioned that the tool will scan everything and it will give you the result. And
Mm-hmm.
the only thing here is, as a VAPT,
Mm-hmm.
I should able to uh, extract whatever the tool shows the result in a
Mm-hmm.
way to ensure that whether is there any weakness or is there any vulnerability. Now the question here is,
Mm-hmm.
now right, when you get into VAPT, there are many
Mm-hmm.
huge concepts are there. For example, subnetting or
Mm-hmm.
networking. so
Right, right.
so now, how a person from a different background, yes,
Mm-hmm.
for sure, like you mentioned that the more
Mm-hmm.
experience you have, you will mold yourself. But
Right.
by this 32 hours course, or by this course, I'm not sure about the duration of the course,
Mm-hmm.
how a person with a non background can able to
Mm-hmm.
get the detail, or
Mm-hmm.
able to understand it, because
Mm-hmm.
the majority is tool is doing, but the analysis is going to be a vital part here, right, Rudransh? This,
Right,
this, this is the first query. Okay.
right,
Now,
right.
the second query here is, in every organization, they have a department called cyber security department, and they have another
Mm-hmm.
department called IT security. So,
Mm-hmm.
why there are many department exist? So that's
Mm-hmm.
it, Rudransh. Yeah.
Okay. So first, let me answer your first question. This course is more than 30 hours. And as the second question you are having, that is it okay for the in the sense you are asking, like if the beginner is there who is not from the IT background, how they'll be coping up with this kind of course. Okay. So for that, no, we are having, okay, I'll be not going like, okay, this is a scanning, then you say, no, not like that, because I understand that every people are coming from a different background. It doesn't matter that if the two or three people are from the technical background, so everyone should be on the technical background. Okay, that's a completely understandable. In that case, you'll be having from a basic, like what is a network. I start from this, guys. Okay, what is a network? Okay, it will be taking 1 hour, 2 hour. Okay, but it will be clearing the concepts of the people who are not from the technical background. Okay, what is the network, what are the protocols, what are the ports, okay? Even what is the OSI model, how the data flows into the network, that will be covered. Okay, it's not about like only for the professionals. It's this course is designed in such a way that all the beginners and the professionals should be able to take advantage of it. Okay, that's how it will be working. Okay, and the second question is you asked there are the multiple departments of the cyber security. See, cyber security is having only one department in the company, and when it comes to the IT security or something, that's a different part. Okay, the IT sectors or the IT department, it takes care of their, how their connections is your computers working good or not, is there any trouble while your system working. Okay, that IT security is that type of part. Okay, when it comes to the cyber security, they keep on the track. There are the multiple domains in the cybersecurity. It's not a simple just VAPT. There in the cybersecurity, they're having red teaming, blue teaming. Okay, I'm a SOC analyst too, so I'm good in a red teaming and a blue teaming. Both together, if we go and we make a purple team, I'm working as a purple team. So I'm doing this cybersecurity since I'm a child. Okay, so it's like a passion converting into the profession. Okay, so it's like you know as I've seen from the decade now, they work as a two team, red team and a blue team. Red team will be doing this VAPT kind of things. Okay, and the blue team, they'll be doing a SOC analyst kind of thing. They'll be defending of the cyber attacks. Okay, so both the way they are working. That's why in the cybersecurity they are having multiple sectors, subdomains in the cybersecurity domain. Okay, so it depends on you which thing fascinates you more, which things you are having, which subdomain you are having a good knowledge or good interest. Okay, that domain you can subdomain you can take it up and you can go further with your career in that subdomain. Yes, Emma.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Yes, anyone, is anyone having any questions now? Arjun, you are having any on questions?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I hope that was a good session with us. Yeah, I felt very nice to meet you guys, and hope we'll be seeing soon into the session. Yeah. Uh, okay. Till then, bye. And if you are having any more further queries, you can just contact and reach out to us in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.